Oh no, my favorite science paper has a crack. I think he might need surgery.
Doctor, we have a very bad break. I think we might need to put him under anesthesia.
We are Wilson Area Intermediate School, and we teamed up with Paramount Critical Care to show you what's so cool about manufacturing. Paramount is the #2 in the whole world for supplying anesthetics. It is a big reason why people like you and me can go into surgery without any problems. Here are some of the people that work at Paramount Critical Care, and they're going to tell you about their jobs.
Well, our manufacturing touches pretty much every person out there because anyone who's having surgery is using our product, and then anyone whose pets are having surgery are also using our product in the operating room to make sure they can get the procedures they need without feeling any pain. So Paramount's putting out an anesthesia that every country around the world is using. We're shipping to 6 different continents, 110 different countries, and people in all those countries are using our anesthesia.
How can you tell what's going on inside all this equipment?
We also have a software program that takes the information that's in the local computer and brings it up, and the operators to be able to see temperatures and pressures. They can see levels in tanks. They can open and close valves. They can run sequences to make things happen automatically.
Doesn't someone still need to maintain all the big machines on the floor?
Everything is controlled by these computers. You can run more systems at one time more efficiently in the control room.
So this all mixes the anesthesia to get it ready to put it in the bottle. So there has to be someone who makes sure that happens correctly.
Anything that's manufactured or packaged here has to be reviewed by quality. It's going to be able to be approved and safe for our patients.
Who makes sure the packaging is done correctly?
For our anesthesia to get out the door, my job is to go around every machine and make sure every machine is running properly and efficiently so that all the anesthesia gets to the customers in a timely manner.
Primary focus for running packaging machines is outputs. I work with finding solutions to problems, and continuous improvement itself means that even if you find a solution, it's never perfect, and you always want to keep improving it and getting it to that next level. I find manufacturing really cool, especially here because we do manufacture medicine.
I would consider everyone here a superhero because it takes all of us working together to make our products. We're literally making a product that saves people's lives all day, every day, from the time they get in the operating room until they wake up.
Phew, I'm so glad the surgery went well thanks to Paramount Critical Care's anesthesia.
It's crazy how many lives the people at Paramount Critical Care save on a daily basis. They may not wear capes, but they sure are superheroes.